Hello children, in this video we are going to learn linear equation in two variables word problem. You know already linear equation can be solved by different methods, like 2-3 methods are there in your syllabus, that are substitution method, elimination by equating the coefficient method, cross multiplication method. Even you are solving the linear equation by graphical representation, graphical method also. But here these word problems, the question exercise from 3.3 B3 question is form the linear pair of equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. So when we solve this question, we will have a revision on substitution method as well, but before that we have to read the statement, understand the meaning and convert it in form of linear equation. That is the main important work here. So let us see what question says. Question number 1 is the difference between two numbers is 26 and the one number is 3 times the other, find them. So when we come across the statement, we read the question, always you try to keep in mind that there will be two things unknown. Question is of linear equation in two variable. Similar question you will get in quadratic equation as well. We will talk about quadratic equation word problem later, and you will be already videos are there, problem based on quadratic equation word problem. You can refer those videos, but here let us learn how to convert the statement into linear equation form and then solve by whichever method mentioned here. Some questions may be asked solved by substitution method, some question may be asked solved by elimination method or by any method. Let us see. So when we read the question, clearly we understood there are two numbers. This talk is about any two number, but with the condition. What condition is that? Difference between two number is 26 and another condition is one number is 3 times the other. So let us start that two are unknown to us. What are that numbers? So we start with the introduction, like let the two numbers be two numbers be x and y. So these two are the numbers. We do not know, they are unknown to us. We denote them just one is x, another one is y. Then first condition in the question is what? The difference between them, and we know that when difference asked, that is the two things we subtract, we get the difference. So from the first condition of the question, from first condition the question says here difference between two number is 26. What are the two numbers? X and y. So clearly we will write x minus y is equal to 26, and this is equation itself. We know linear equation form ax plus by equal to c or ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we are getting here x, ax, you know that 1x minus 1y equal to 26. We got the linear equation. So it is very simple. Once we understand, we can convert the statement into equation. The second condition is what? One number is 3 times the other. So one number is x, other number is y. One number is 3 times, that means this number is x is equal to 3 into other number, whatever may be. We have assumed here x and y. So from second condition, the question is saying how that one number is x is equal to 3 times the other, that means 3 into other number, 3 into y, you know 3y already, and this also itself is an equation. Sometimes we may think that x is in LHS, 3y is in RHS, how it will be equation? We can arrange them, x minus 3y equal to 0. Anyway, the question now we have converted it into equation, and then question is saying that solve by substitution method. So let us remind now substitution method what we do. As the name says, substitution method, that means we have to get substitute of what? There are only two variables x and y, so we get substitute of any, and in this question this is the substitute itself, x is equal to 3y. That means if from this equation, from equation 2, when we substitute for x 3y in another equation, that you know already, so x will be out and 3y will be in that place used. So we write now here substituting x equal to 3 into y, that is 3y, where in equation 1. Here we need to remember, from one equation, from any one equation, we get the substitute and we use the substitute in another equation. Sometimes we are free to get substitute from one equation, then we will substitute that in equation 2. But here we have got the substitute from equation 2, so we will substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1? X. So x is equal to 3y. So in place of x we will use 3y minus y is equal to 26, and after this simplification needed, 3y minus y, we all know 3y minus 1y will be 2y. So 2y is equal to 26. So y will be equal to what? 26. 2 will come in RHS, go in division, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So y is equal to 13. So the two number were unknown to us, one we got y, and x is equal to what? X is equal to 3y. So this value of y we use here, 3 into 13, we get 39. That means numbers are 39 and 13. Therefore the two numbers we can write, or the numbers are 39 and 13. And once we solve this word problem, we can even check our solution whether we have done it correctly or not. Numbers we have got 39 and 13. Once again we will read the question. Question was what telling us? Difference between two numbers is 26. 39 and 13. If we, this is just for verification whether what we have got is correct or not. So 39 minus 13, what we get? 39 minus 13, 26. So first condition is fulfilled. The difference between that two number is 26. Then one number is 3 times the other. One number is what? 39. This should be equal to 3 into other number. Other number is what? 13. So when we do 13 into 3, we get 39. So our answer fulfill the condition. What question is telling? This answer is fulfilling that. That means we are correct. So when we do linear equation word problem, after completing, just it will take a few seconds only to verify. Put your answer in the same condition and verify whether we have reached to the correct solution, or we can know that very clearly. Hope you have understood. Let's see you in another video with continuation of this exercise with new question. See you.